to do things that we are not even capable of imagining. It's really interesting, Daryl, when you are so passionate about something.
Yeah.
You don't really care about difficulty, about
Yeah.
obstacles. You are just focused on your goal and the destination that you want. And the resources are there. When we have advocacies and we have programs for the poor, it's so difficult. But when the idea is clear and then we present to some funding agents what we want to do to help others, then they say, okay, that's a very good idea. We will fund your projects. That's the most convincing and persuasive manner of getting resources will be authenticity, sincerity, simplicity, humility, then focus. Focus on what you really want to do.